Dr. Sebi's methodology on cleansing, then revitalizing the body.
Stop eating for 21 days. Just drink water and juices, and if occasionally a fruit or so, just don't eat anything.
Step number 1. Cleanse the body. The body must be cleansed on an intracellular level through detoxification to remove the mucus. You may need to fast for several days, up to several weeks.
In the book of Revelation, it says 22 verse, and the first chapter, it talks about the herbs for medicine. Am I right?
Step number 2. Revitalize the body. Consume herbs to nourish and replenish the body while strengthening your immune system.
They say that disease is what? Germ, virus, bacteria. I said no. The food that you eat.
Finally, step number 3. Eat for the body. After cleansing, consume alkaline fruits, vegetables, and herbs, including sea moss, green juices, and natural spring water. There are several types of fasts, particular herbs, and a specific list of alkaline fruits and veggies to cleanse and revitalize the body. For more info, please visit www.allthingsalkaline.org.